Here in the I button and in description box below, you will get complete playlist of discrete mathematics. Welcome to video number 11, and in this video we are going to see product of two set. How to find the product of any two set or three set or anything. Okay, yes. And with this we will see one example, and after doing that performing that example, we will be doing one problem on this topic. Okay, so before I start this video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, and if you learn something from my videos, then please hit the like button and do share the playlist of this chapter with your friends. Okay, in this way only you are going to support me, and I really need your support. Okay, let us start. Let's say you have a set A, and the elements of this set A are 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we have three elements in the set A. Let us say we have another set, that is set B, whose elements are A and B. Okay, these two are elements of B, these three are elements of A. Now you are interested in finding the product of A and B, that is A into B. Okay, it depends, because A into B is not equals to B into A. Okay, yes. So it depends whether you want to find A into B or B into A, since both are different. Okay, so if you want to find A into B, which itself is a set, okay, A into B is also going to give you a set. Okay, so we are closing these elements within this curly bracket. Okay, and within this we need to write some elements in ordered pair. Okay, we need to write all the elements in the ordered pair. Okay, so if you're finding A into B, then A comma, sorry, 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 2 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma A, 3 comma B. Okay, yes, here we are writing all the elements in ordered pair, and since A into B is also a set, so we will close this with the help of curly brackets. Okay, now if you want to find B into A, then it would be A comma 1, A comma 2, A comma 3, B comma 1, B comma 2, B comma 3. So by this you can imagine that is A into B is not equals to B into A. Okay, it is straightforward. Yes. Now if you want to find what is B into B, or you can find also by yourself, that is what is A into A. Let's suppose here we are finding B into B, then A comma B into A comma B in the curly bracket, because B and B both are sets. Okay, now B into B is also a set, so all the ordered pair, okay, are written in the curly brackets. Okay, that is A comma A comma B, B comma A, B comma B. Okay, yes. Now after this we will solve one problem. Okay, let us start. So here we have a problem. So let us try to solve this problem. The question says find the values of A into B into C, B square and B square into 4. Okay, here we have to find three values, that is A into B into C, second is B square, and the third is B square into 4. Set A is comprising of only one element, that is 1. Set B is comprising of two elements, that is A and B. Set C is comprising of two elements, that is 2, 3. Okay, yes. First of all, we will try to find what is B square. Okay, B square itself is a square, is a set. Okay, so B into B, that is A comma B into A comma B. Okay, we will write these in the ordered pair, that is A comma A comma B, B comma A, and B comma B. Okay, all these elements are written within this bracket and separated by commas. Okay, yes. And since B square is also a set, so we need to write, yes, we need to draw this curly brackets. Okay, yes. Now after finding B square, we will try to find B square into 4. Okay, yes. So since we have B square here, that is A comma A comma B, B comma A, and B comma B, so we need to include third element, that is 4, in each of the elements. Okay, yes. So it is going to be A comma 4. This will become A comma B comma 4. This will become B comma A comma 4. This will become B comma B comma 4. Okay, and since B square into 4 is itself a square set, so it is enclosed with a, yes, it is written in within this. This is what, this is curly brackets. Okay, now after finding B square and B square into 4, lastly we will try to find what is A into B into C. Okay, for this first we'll try to find what is A into B, and after finding A into B we'll try to find A into B into C. Okay, yes. So let us try to find A into B into C, but before that we will try to find A into B. Okay, yes. So what is A? Yes, single element, that is 1. What is B? Two elements, that is A comma B. So multiply a 1 comma a 1 comma b. Okay, this is what? This is a into b. Now we will find a into b into c. Okay, to find a into b into c, we need to multiply this with c. So what is a into b? That is a 1 comma 1 comma b. Okay, within this curly bracket. Now again write c 2 comma 3 within this curly bracket. Now 1 comma a comma 2, 1 comma a comma 3, 1 comma a b comma 2, 1 comma b comma 3. Okay, these are the four elements. Okay, yes. Again, a into b into c is a set, so we need to enclose this within this curly brackets. Okay, thank you so much.